Welcome back. The High Court of Bombay at Goa has reserved the order on the petition challenging Goa government's decision not to accept the list of shortlisted candidates by GPSC. GPSC had shortlisted 9 candidates after taking written test and interview, but Parrikar government had rejected the recommendation. The government has made it clear before the court that it wants to change and improvise the selection process by the GPSC. The High Court of Bombay at Goa on Thursday reserved the order on a petition challenging Goa government's decision not to accept the list of shortlisted candidates by Goa Public Service Commission. 9 shortlisted candidates has challenged Parrikar government's decision not to consider them for recruitment. GPSC had held a written test on 21st August 2011 in which 1,545 candidates appeared. Later, 37 candidates were called for an interview. Finally, GPSC shortlisted 9 candidates and recommended the government for recruitment. But on 23rd of May 2012, Parrikar government declined the recommendation and announced new policy for selection process. Goa government argued before the court that they want to improve the standard of candidates. That's why they have rejected the present recommendation. As per new selection policy, there will be no shortlisting of candidates for the oral interview, and all candidates who secure 65% marks and above at the written examination will be called for an oral interview. Government also said to bring transparency, all oral interviews for Goa Civil Service posts conducted by GPSC will be video recorded. Now the High Court is to decide that is it justified to let the government to search and recruit better candidates on the stake of those who qualified on the basis of previous standards. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Deputy CM of the state Francis D'Souza has assured help to boost and back up theatre and theatrists in the state. D'Souza said that there is need to preserve our mother tongue as it is identity of citizens of the state. He was speaking at the birth anniversary of late Rosario Rodriguez.
Theatre Academy celebrated birth anniversary of late theatrist Rosario Rodriguez at Ravindra Bhavan in Margao on Wednesday. Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza was the guest of honor.
गोयचं सरकार थिएटरिस्टांक कोंकणी भाशे खातीर जाता तितको प्रयत्न करतलो तांकां शाबासकी दिवपाक तांकां एनकरेज करपाक आमी आमची मायभास राखून दवरतले सांबाळून दवरतले जाल्यार थोडो त्रास काडचो पडटलो हो त्रास काडपाची गरज आमकां आमची मायभास म्हणजे आमचें अस्तित्व आमची आयडेंटिटी आमचें वेगळेपण.
3 theatrists were felicitated on the occasion. A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Vasco police nabbed 4 thieves in multiple robberies at Vasco. They were involved in a robbery at a house in Maimole and Baina Government Higher Secondary School. Surprisingly, all are in age group of 21 to 25 years. Goods are yet to be recovered and they have been sent to police custody of 7 to 10 days respectively.
Vasco police arrested 4 robbers involved in multiple robberies at Vasco. They have arrested Paul Chima, age 21 from Baina, Rahul alias Salman Sheikh, age 21 from Baina, Sheikh Abdul Akif, age 21 from Zuari Nagar, and Sheikh Abdullah Harif, age 25 from Zuari Nagar. They were involved in a robbery at a house in Maimole and Baina Government High Secondary School. At Maimole House, a LCD TV and 20,000 cash was robbed. In another robbery at Baina Government High Secondary School, 4 monitors, 1 CPU and 6 UPS were robbed. Car involved in crime is also attached by the Vasco police. They have all been given police remand of 7 to 10 days. Our reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Madkaikar.
Kelshi villagers complained of illegal mud filling on cousin land. They claim that a private builder is carrying out this illegal activity in their village. Villagers have now blamed their local MLA and Environment Minister Alina Saldana for not taking action. Talati inspected the mud-filled area.
Kortali and Kelshi villagers complained that even after a number of complaints, illegal mud filling continued in Kelshi. The villagers claim that the illegal mud filling is carried out on Khazan land by Movage Enterprises Private Limited for some tourism related project.
जेन्ना एक्शन जावंक ना तेन्ना आमी फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडाक फोन केलो आनी तेन्ना आमकां सांगलें फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडान की आपूण येता म्हणून इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक. पूण इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक येता म्हणसर ते सांगूंक लागले की अबाउट 4 सुमार सांगूंक लागले की तालाटेन तांकां सांगलां मारगांव ऑफिसांसून की तांकां फिलिंग करपाचें परमिशन आसा म्हणून. आमी तेन्ना डेप्युटी कलेक्टर परतून हें केलें आनी तालाटे कडेन क्लॅरिफिकेशन मागलें की बाबा हे तांकां परमिशन आसा. तो तालाटी सांगूंक लागलो की घेलाच्या मनशाक परमिशन आसा म्हणून, मवाजाचें हांकां ना.
Locals have now blamed Chief Minister and Environment Minister Alina Saldana for not taking cognizance of the matter.
म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टरान आमच्या एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टरान चड करून एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टरान आमच्या लोकांच्या वयल्यान चड करून आमचो पयलो मातांनी बाब केळशीकारांक म्हणल्यार चड मानतालो आनी वयल्यान केळशीचो लोक ताका चड मानतालो. आयज म्हाका दूख भोगता जेन्ना मातांनी ना त्या भायर मातांनीचे बायलेन जें पळय मातांनी बरेपण हें केल्लें तें आजून पासून म्हणचे मातांनीचे बायलेन बरेपणाच्यो वस्तू करपाक जायो आनी मातांनीचें नांव राखपाक जाय.
Talati reached at the site and inspected the area. He will submit his report to the Mamlatdar. However, he has admitted that the land filling continued at the Khazan land.
केला पळय पळय हें एडिशनल फिलिंग खाजन फिलिंग केलें तेंच्यांनी आनी हांव जेन्ना येयलो पळय म्हाका सांगलें हें गेलाचें काम म्हणून गेल पायपलायनीचें आनी आतां जें हांव पळयता पळय तेंचें केलां पळय तें सगळें खाजन फिलिंग केल्लें आसा.
कोण आसतलो कोणें केलां बीन कितें?
एक कोण प्रायवेट पार्टी आसा ती मौजा म्हणून कोण तरी लोकल सांगतात.
अजून तुमच्याकडे कितें
आमचे कडेन अजून परमिशन काय तेंचे कडेन काय येवना कितें तेंकां आतां आमी फाल्यां आपयल्या कलेक्टरान बीन.
Earlier, Gram Sabha had witnessed chaos and confusion over this issue of land filling. Our reporter from Murgaon, Suren Madkaikar for Prudent.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.